first thing we did to start our project was reassemble Chapter 7 in our Arduino book. Then we made our design, and when we all approved the design, we got started soldering and programming. After we were done soldering, we got a glove, hot glue gun, and of course Lucas to make sure that we glued everything in the right place. When it was done, we were all so impressed with Marie's good work. Here Lucas is making sure everything fits properly and putting it all together for the first time. This is the final product of our project. My little brother rocking out with it, and in the corner a little video showing you how he is doing it up close.
Not to leave aside the mechatronics and the final projects, in which were my highlights of the semester, since I've enjoyed working on both very much. For my animatronics or mechatronics hack, I chose to hack a toy construction track that was controlled through a corded controller. This project was very difficult and required many hours using my multimeter to find where I needed to hack the circuit board and the controller in order to separately control the sound and motion. Once I found these points, I had my boyfriend help me solder wires to these points, which was also difficult. I then modified the code from the spaceship command center project to get the function of the switches properly activated.
Press the button. There's 5-second delay. And there's the picture.
That is a photo resistor. This is the LCD screen. This is, wow, that's hard to do. This is the contrast adjustment. I think that's what it's doing. And then we have a relay box over here. It has 4 relays on it. And basically, per the code, when it goes dark, relay turns off. When it goes light, relay turns on.
Hello everyone, so this is my final project. My project is about hacking a toy car. I'm doing 2 things here. One is using a TV remote control to send a signal to the Arduino, and 2 is using my Arduino to remotely move the car. You can see that by pushing on the same button, the car is moving.
Sprinkler controller. I have a wall wart powering the microcontroller, and I have a 19.2 volt rechargeable battery soldered in as an auxiliary source. And as you can see here, this wire leads over to the solenoid on the sprinkler, and the sprinkler system is, there's one of the sprinklers right there, it's in the garden. And we have here the moisture sensors, which are 2 just pieces of galvanized rod in the soil, and it leads back over here to the Arduino circuit board. And if I am to pull one of these moisture sensors out so that the moisture content drops, just like that, set one on the dirt, there come the sprinklers.
show you a couple pages that I looked at to help me figure out what I wanted to do. I have an LED strip around a poker table, and I wanted to be able to use my phone. I have an Android, like this guy did in his video, to control the color of the LED strips. That was the initial plan. It changed a little bit as I went. I thought I found something cooler. So I pretty much based my entire final project with a lot of help from this page, Trevor's homepage. He has a lot of cool projects and creations. You guys should definitely check it out. Then I decided it looked cooler to have the colors fade instead of just changing them. I wanted it kind of fading on a loop. And here is a video of the strip change. It's pretty poor quality. It's sunny outside, so you can't. But I hope you guys can see this color changing here. Alright, that's it, guys.
I feel that by doing all these projects, I learned a lot about physics as well as about myself. I learned that I was capable of building really neat things that I thought would never be able to do. I also found that I improved my problem-solving abilities as well. And this is just a video from my final project.